this is Mr. Mac from Acesmath. Okay, so today I'm bringing you one of the common questions in your sequence and series usually happens after a method of difference. So after a method of difference, usually you'll be getting some results like this, maybe say for example. Okay, then you are asked to solve something that looks pretty similar. Okay, so in this case, you are doing a summation of r equals to 6 to n plus 3 over, so the expression that you're doing is 2 over r minus 4, r minus 2. Okay, so in this case, this is what we commonly known as your substitution method. All right, so what we're going to do here is, okay, so if you compare, okay, so look at this. So if you compare the terms that you are supposed to solve, express here, this is, so when r is being subtracted by 4 versus when r is subtracted by 2 here. Okay, so to observe, to know what you want to substitute away with, probably you can compare the terms here. So this is a smaller term. This is your larger term. Okay, then what we want to do is we're going to substitute this form into this form. Okay, which is what you have in terms of result. So if you look at your results denominator, there's r plus 2. So if you can identify, similarly, this r is definitely the smaller one. Okay, with the r plus 2 will be the bigger term. Okay, so our objective here, so if you notice, so our objective here is to match this. So what I want to do is, after substitution from r minus 4, it goes into your r. Okay, so what you can do in this case is, okay, maybe let me just change the expression a little bit. All right, so here in this case, I want to equate, so I have r minus 4. Okay, I want to let it go into r. Okay, so maybe just to change alphabet here to not make things a bit too complicated for all of us, I use a. So your substitution here from where you are, you want to let r equals a plus 4. Okay, so let me show you what I actually means here. So this part here, based on the question itself, this is r equals to 6, n plus 3 here, your 2 over r minus 4, r minus 2 here. So what you're going to do is you'll tell the examiner, okay, I'm going to substitute. Okay, we use replace r with a plus 4. Okay, so notice what actually happens here. So your 2 here, this doesn't change. So you have an a plus 4 minus 4, you get an a here. A plus 4 minus 2, you get an a plus 2. So you can see in this case, in terms of the expression, it is the same as this already. Okay, then be careful. Make sure that you change everything. So all your r value will have to change with a plus 4. So you can see in this case, your starting limit. So your a plus 4 here equals to 6. And also on top, be careful here, because when we do your summation, the last term is that there's actually a hidden r equals to n plus 3. So here in this case, there's an a plus 4 equals to n plus 3 here. Okay, so let us simplify this. So you can see in this case, this 4 can go to this side here. So this is a minus, this is your 6 minus 4, it gives you 2. Then this 4 comes over here, so you get a n minus 1. Okay, so you get an n minus 1 here with this expression. Okay, so I'm almost ready to use this. Just that in this case, some things that you need to notice is, in this case, your r must start from 1, or in this case, correspondingly, you must a start from 1. So this part here, you can adjust it to a. So in this case, when you introduce a equals to 1, you have to subtract away when a equals to 1. So this is your 1 times when a equals to 1, this is times 3. Okay, and with that, you can use your result on top. So this is a 3 over 2 minus 1 over, now in this case, instead of n, you get an n minus 1. So this is the n minus 1, okay, plus 1, okay, minus 1 over n minus 1 plus 2, okay, and plus your 2 over 3 at the bottom. Okay, so with this, you're almost done. Just simplify a bit of your terms here. You are getting a 5 over 6 here, minus 1 over n, minus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, so this is how you will do your substitution. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please follow us and also share this with your friends. Thank you.